Hi everyone, my name is Yahya and welcome to my launch day. This is brand.dev. It's an API that allows you to fetch any company's name, descriptions, logos, backdrops, address, socials, and more just by passing their domain in. A few of the use cases include pre-filling or personalizing your onboarding flows. So the moment a user signs up, you can grab their corporate domain from their email and pre-fill all of the information in their account, show them their logos, show them the right colors, names, etc. And that way they only have to confirm instead of filling in information. It drastically reduces your onboarding drop-off rate. Another use case is enriching company or transaction data in general. For example, if you are a fintech company and you have transaction line items, normally they look like this, not very pretty as you can see. It's kind of hard to tell what's going on. Using the API, you're able to immediately fetch the right logo, the social media links. If there's a support email on the website, that gets fetched as well, and you can showcase it to your customers. You can build your own beautiful branded experiences. A lot of the customers have come up with sort of their own stuff, so I will leave it open-ended here. And finally, if you're working on any type of generative AI product, this is perfect for your models. You can fetch context. So in this case, for PayPal, we can fetch the industry, the colors, logo, some backdrops, and then you can use that to generate a beautiful ad immediately. In terms of showing you the portal, I'm going to start by showing you we have three APIs we're going to showcase on today's demo. The first one is going to be the Style Guide API. And because it's launch day, we're going to use launch day as an example. You can put in the domain and fetch the full style guide. So obviously launch day has a very unique style guide. You're able to see the accent colors, the text colors, the background, and this is exactly what the website looks like. Another example, just because I'm using Loom, I'm going to say loom.com. If I were to fetch the style guide for loom.com, you could see this is pretty much what their primary button looks like, what their cards look like, their fonts, etc. And then let's say you want to fetch their actual logos, right? We're going to go here, we're going to type in loom.com, make an API request, and boom, you have their logos, you have backdrops. Another example is nomads.com, which used to be a nomad list, but fewer levels. You can fetch the logo, fetch the backdrop, descriptions, colors, etc. We have a bunch of APIs, including screenshots if you need that. We have an AI query API, so you can fetch context off of the website. Let's say you need some information that we don't provide and you want to fetch it off of their website or social media. You can simply pass it in and make a request. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, happy launch day.